Hi, in this video I will show you the 360 view of Liferay. So starting from control panel, so first of all you need to log in using admin or the role which has permission to view the control panel. So right now I'm using default user of Liferay which is admin. So if I click over here, I can see these three tabs. So first tab is application where I can manage the asset libraries. I can see the content dashboard. I can create my workflows, or I can see the submissions that are handled using that workflows. Also, I can manage the announcement and alerts from here. And if I wish to install any extension to my Liferay, I can install it from here. Then we have commerce where the features related to commerce are displayed like products, catalogs, orders, payments, inventory, warehouses. Then you can manage your channels, the countries where you want to establish your commerce. Uh, then the third tab is control panel, which is mostly used to manage the life race functionality like adding users, or updating it or creating or managing the organizations. You can create roles, define permissions from here. You can manage the sites and site template. Then you can create account and account users for your commerce. Then you have list of configurations available here, the instance settings, system settings. Then you can check all registered components within Liferay. You can check the search behavior of Liferay from here. You can manage the custom fields from here, or if you want to update any language properties, let's say you want to rename accounts from this to some other word, you can manage it from language override. Then you can configure adaptive media, so according to the resolution or width of the screen, it will automatically decrease the size of images. It will change the pixels of images, which will help to improve the performance. Then you can define scheduled job from here. You can define countries. Liferay also supports low code no code feature in terms of objects, so you can manage objects from here. Then we have few security terms over here. Let's say you are using your Liferay as an headless CMS or headless DM. You can configure the auth to administration over here. So that will be providing the token to the other system which is using the Liferay's API. You can configure the service access policy for that. Also you can define password policies for user. Let's say you want to define that password should contain this capital or some special characters. uh, then you can do it from here. Let's say if you want to do configuration like if user enters password wrong for 3 times it should be locked, then you can do it from password policies. Then you have notification where it is giving options to configure the templates and queue. So this is specially for objects. Let's say whenever any user add entries into the object, you want to trigger a notification, either email or uh, portal notification. You can configure those templates from here. And if you want to check if notification was sent or it is still in queue, you can check it from this queue page. Then you have option of system where you will see the server administration, app manager, gogo cell. So this is the server administration is used to clear the caches of database. you can configure the mail from here. If you want to migrate your dem, you can do it from here. Then if you want to shut down your Liferay for few hours, few minutes, you can do it from here. Then you have app manager, where you will see the list of bundles which is deployed into Liferay. Also, you can check the components from here. Then you have GoGoCell, which is used to check the OSGI state. You can check the health of any bundle. You can stop or start any bundle from here. So this will help you when deployed module is not starting or is having some trouble. You can debug it from here. Then the virtual instances will show you the instance that you have created in Liferay. On demand admin is also regarding the instance, will show you the admin of each instance. Then if you want to install plugins from marketplace, or if you are using DXP, you can see this menu over here, which will be useful to get some apps from marketplace, or see the details of Liferay license you are using. So these are the menus which are available on this top control panel. Then if you want to manage content within some site, you have site administrator, which is accessible from here. When you click on design, it will show you these four options, where you can define style books, which will be used to give color coding or changing it. Then you can manage fragments, which is like code pen. You can define HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and it will create component for you, which you can render it directly on page and configure it over there. Then you can configure the templates from here. Templates like asset publisher templates that I will show you in future videos. Then you can manage the page template. Let's say the layout of page is same for all of my pages, then I don't need to configure each section on each pages. I can create one page template over here, and when I'm creating my pages, I can use that page template, and it will render the predefined content. Then to create and manage page, you have site builder, where you can create and manage the pages and permissions. Then navigation menu, you can design your navigation like this in using navigation menu. Then collection, if you want to create collection for data, for assets, you can do it from here. Then specially to manage the content, you have menu, as Liferay provides built-in features to manage the content in form of web content, DM, blog, form. You can manage all of this content from this section. Then if you wish to divide content in different categories or tags, you can create and manage the tags from here. Once you create, you can assign those categories or tag from respective sections. Then here you will see the recycle bin. If you delete a content like web content, document and media, blog, you will see in recycle bin. You can restore it from here, or you can permanently delete it. Then from people, you can manage the segments. If manual membership is allowed within the site, you can manage the membership from here. Segments will allow you to configure a rich view as per user's perspective. Let's say if user is from India, you want to display the India related content. If user is from USA, you want to display USA related content on same page. You can use segments, and uh, you can utilize it. Then here you will see the configuration, where the site related settings you will be able to do. If you want to manage some kind of redirection, you can do it. This is lock feature, which is new in Liferay. So whenever any editor is editing the page, so that page will be locked for other user. So it will block to different users at the same time to edit the same page. Then you can manage workflow for site related content from here. And then you have publishing, which is used to export the site data or import the site data, or if you want to manage the staging, you can do it from here. Then you have one more menu, which is user personal menu, where each user will have access on this based on their permissions. They will see options over here. So if I want to check what are the sites that I have access, I can do it from here. I can see my profile, I can see my dashboard from here. So whatever users have account in Liferay, all will have their own profile and their own dashboards. I will have my access on notifications from here. I can see shared content from here. Then if I have created any content which is in workflow, I can check those content from here. Or if I'm approver, I have task to approve some kind of content from other user. I will see those tasks from here. Then I can edit my profile from here, the personal detail or uh, other detail based on the permissions that I have. I can see connected applications from here, or I can see my organizations from here. And the last menu is that if I want to log out, I can click over here and it will be log out. It will clear my session. In next video, I will explain you how we can create and manage the users and permissions, and I will navigate you through the Liferay's permissioning system. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe.